Hi, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to dehydrate some apricots. Got an apricot tree that I've had for 20-30 years, somewhere around there, and every year it gives us so much fruit, but it only lasts for like a week that it's ripe. So we got to pick it all before the neighbors and the birds do. So what you want to do is cut them all in half, pull the pits out, and we're gonna cut off any blemishes or anything that maybe the birds have gotten to. Doing this all natural, no added preservatives, no chemicals, no sulfur. Just natural. I've only got one tray on my Smart Oven Air by Breville, and this is it. So we did one bowl of apricots, and it was just enough to fill the tray. You're going to put that in there, switch to the dehydrate setting, which is 125 degrees, and I'm going to start it at 10 hours. This is a really thick fruit, so it takes a while. But it's always good to do this in stages because the smaller pieces will get done faster. So after 10 hours, check them. There's a few little runts in there. Pop it back in for 5-hour increments after that. Pop it out. See who else is done. I like them to still be soft. I've done them where they're too crunchy before and it's just too tough to chew. Another 5 hours. And they're mostly done. Just a few left. This time, let's just do 3 hours. And that's it. They're soft, they're squishy, the flavor is immense and intense. Enjoy! If you like this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing it with somebody who you might think would appreciate it. Thanks again. Have a great day.